guess what's in this package? A lip kit. But not any lip kit, baby. Miss Quenlin Blackwell's lip kit. When I found out she was coming out with a lip kit, I was like, I need to get my hands on that. So I went to Ulta. They didn't have it in store, but they were able to order it for me. So this is what we're gonna be unboxing and trying out tonight. It's already late, so we're gonna open this now. Bruh.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, I got her open. Oh my goodness. Look at the queen herself. She looks so f***ing good, bruh. Her pictures for this came out amazing. This is so cute. And this is the back. I'm so excited to try this. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. You guys ready? Are you guys ready? We're opening this together. 3, 2. Oh my goodness. So cute. So sexy. So sassy. Oh my god. Bruh. Bruh. T. Loaded with gooped and gagged. Bruh. Alright. Let's get into it. So this is what it comes with. The lip pencil and chestnut. The I can't, bro, my pronunciation sucks. Silky matte lipstick in Yash. And lip gloss, air non-sticky gloss in frosting. So cute. Oh my god, I can't wait to try this. Alright, let's get into it. Alright guys, my lips are a little dry right now, but we're gonna try this. So this is the lip liner. Look at her. Period. Alright, let me put this on. Oh, she's sharp. Sorry, all my little mirrors are a little dusty. Now time for the lipstick. Bruh, she's so... Oh, I like don't want to ruin it. It's so... Oh, look at that. Gorgeous. I'm so excited to try this. Bruh. This is so cute. This is gorgeous. Like, look at the color combo. I don't know what I'm doing, bro, but she cute. Girl, let's go to the club and pop up. Dude, now I want to go out. Should I go to bed or go out? Go to bed or go out? Go to bed or go out? Guys, go get this lip combo. It's serving. It's giving. I'm gonna wear this tomorrow. This is my new go-to. These 3 items right here, girl, they is going in my purse. I'm gonna put these in my purse. But I was definitely excited for this collab. I'm glad I got my hands on it. So, period. Peace out until next time.